In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can load any standard image that has a world file associated with it. If you're not familiar with world files, it's basically a file that goes along with your raster image that tells it the scale of the image and the coordinate system and where it is placed in the world. So the map controls knows where to place it in relation to other map data you may be loading. So let's dig right in and take a look at the code. In this sample here, we're dealing with a TIFF file, just a standard TIFF. If you're using a GeoTIFF, you'd probably want to go ahead and use the GeoTIFF raster layer instead of the GDI plus raster layer. This GDI plus raster layer here is really kind of a catch-all to load any type of standard imagery. So it doesn't have to be a TIFF, it could be a JPEG, a bitmap, a PNG, and as long as it has an associated world file with it and it's in the correct format, the map control will know how to display that. If you're not familiar with world files, they have a little different extensions, so it would be the first and the last and then one with the W on there. So TIFF, for example, would be TFW, bitmap would be BPW, PNG would be PGW, etc. And so that's how you can tell if there's a world file out there. We also have some APIs to create world files, so you can look on our wiki for more information how to do that. But back to this sample, it's pretty straightforward. We're just adding the map to the page, setting the map unit, setting the current stint, and then down here we're creating the GDI plus raster layer, giving it to the path to our TIFF file, and then setting the upper and lower threshold of when we want that image to be displayed. So in this case we want it to be displayed at all scales, but if we only wanted it to be displayed at a certain scale, we could put in a different value here and only be shown between 0 and that one, and then turn off once you zoomed up higher than that. And of course, if you're not sure of your scale, you can always call the get current scale method off of the map to find out what scale you're at any given zoom level. And then just add that GDI plus raster layer to your overlay and the layers collection and render it out accordingly. And you're going to get a beautiful map with your image displayed that'll allow you to add other data on top of it, or do whatever is necessary for your application. I hope this sample app walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us, or you can post your questions directly on our discussion forums at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thank you very much for watching.